Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not going to be a vlog. It's going to be me showing you guys how I did this backdrop setup. Now, of course, this video is not a tutorial or a how-to, but mostly just what I did and maybe some things you can benefit from or learn from what I did on this install. Now, my original goal was to have balloons on both sides of the arch and then have a set of balloons being built up around the marquee letters. But when I got to the space and I saw where they had us, I was like, okay, me putting balloons around the marquee numbers was not going to work because you can't see it, but to the far side of those marquee numbers is where they was cashing out people's tickets. So it was impossible to try to do what I wanted to do. And you'll see they kept going back and forth behind the backdrop anyway to go through those double doors. I think it was like a storage room or something. So I don't even know why they told us that was a space to use because, yeah, they kept moving stuff around. But anyway, my goal was basically to build the balloons at the bottom, make it wide. And then as I got to the top, I kind of made those balloons go to the back. This was on the right side of the arch, the side that I'm working on right now. So basically I made it wide at the bottom, and then as I go up, I thinned it out, and then the balloons kind of go towards the back. And then on the other side, I just put a few quads at the very front. And that was basically my goal. The only problem I had basically was this backdrop was so flimsy. It's a gold one, a gold metal one. It was so flimsy. I did have some weights behind it, but I don't know, it just wasn't working the way I wanted it to. I mean, it never failed or anything, but if I could, I would have used a wood backdrop. So one day I'll invest in it, but for now, you know, this worked. And then I would say, like I did, the mistake I made was make sure that sign is placed perfectly. We kind of put it a little bit too high, so I really should have adjusted the balloons, but like I said, that thing was so flimsy, I was trying not to do too much at this point. So I had a lot more balloons I could have added, but I stopped because I didn't want it to fall over. And so anyway, this was the end result. I ended up adding some greenery to it to help it pop. And then as you can see, that pop of gold in there just really turned it out. Really made it turn out really, really nice. But I don't know, y'all let me know what y'all think. If y'all have any questions, I'll be glad to answer them down below in the comments. But I'll see y'all in the next one.